Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to verify your Envato Elements contributor account quickly and effortlessly. Welcome to our channel, ready to become a verified contributor on Envato Elements and start sharing your creative work with the world. The verification process is essential for accessing contributor privileges and getting your content approved. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you verify your Envato Elements contributor account efficiently. Step 1. After signing up or logging into your Envato Elements contributor account, navigate to your dashboard. Step 2. Locate the Profile or Account Settings section, where personal and payment information is managed. Step 3. Complete your profile by filling in all required personal details, such as your full name, email address, and payment preferences. Accurate information will ensure a smooth verification process. Step 4. Kindly prepare key documents needed to verify your identity. This typically includes a government-issued ID, passport, or driving license. Make sure the document is valid and clearly legible. Step 5. Upload the scanned copies or high-quality photos of your identification documents through the verification portal on your profile page. Step 6. Wait for Envato Elements team to review your submitted documents. The review process can take anywhere from a few hours to a few business days, depending on their workload. Step 7. Once your documents have been approved, you will receive an email confirmation notifying you that your contributor account is now verified. Step 8. After verification, ensure that you have agreed to all contributor terms and conditions and have set up any required tax or payment details to avoid delays in receiving payments. Step 9. Start uploading your high-quality digital assets like graphics, templates, videos, or audio tracks to begin making money from your creativity. Remember to check guidelines regularly to keep your submissions compliant and up to date. By following these steps carefully, you can successfully verify your Envato Elements contributor account and unlock the opportunities that come with being a trusted creator. We hope this guide simplifies the verification process for you and helps you get started on your creative journey with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching.